Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete cache in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. Just go to your menu and you are going to select global settings, and here is where you can delete your cache. You can also auto delete it, which I have turned on, so auto delete cache 30 days ago. You can also delete this. But I have to close the project first, so let's just close it. And once this has opened, just go up here to global settings. Then you can go to global settings here and then delete cache files. It doesn't affect the use of history projects. If you need to use stickers, effects, and other materials, you need to download them again. So for instance, you have downloaded like stickers and stuff. This will make you have to download it again. Select OK, and it will remove the cache files. It also, I think, removes like filters and effects that you downloaded. It doesn't really delete it, but you have to like download it again. If you understand what I mean. Then select save, and that's pretty much how you can delete cache files on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!